Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Weeklytools channel. Are you in the market for a high-quality diagnostic scanner but not sure which one to choose? Today, we're putting two top contenders head-to-head: the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite OBD2 scanner and the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro scan tool. We'll be looking at their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one might be the right fit for your needs. Let's get started. Let's talk about features. Both the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite and the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro come packed with a plethora of functions designed to make diagnosing vehicle issues a breeze. The LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite boasts extensive vehicle coverage, including over 100 car brands from America, Europe, and Asia. Its wide range of diagnostic functions covers everything from basic OBD2 scanning to advanced system diagnostics and special functions like coding and programming. On the other hand, the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro offers similar capabilities with its extensive vehicle coverage and comprehensive diagnostic functions. It also features advanced bi-directional control and extensive service functions, making it a versatile tool for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Now, let's talk performance. Both scanners offer fast and accurate diagnostic results, but there are some differences to note. The LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite is praised for its lightning-fast communication speed and user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced technicians to navigate. Meanwhile, the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro shines with its powerful hardware and multitasking capabilities. Its quad-core processor and large touchscreen display ensure smooth operation and quick access to diagnostic information. Additionally, its wireless VCI allows for greater mobility and flexibility in the workshop. Before we reveal our product, let's talk about pros and cons. LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite OBD2 scanner, pros and cons. Pros: extensive vehicle coverage, advanced functionalities, OL-level capabilities, user-friendly interface, regular updates, durability and warranty. Cons: limited customer support, subscription fees. Cost: overall, the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite is a powerful OBD2 scanner offering professional-grade functionalities and extensive vehicle coverage. However, its higher cost and learning curve make it more suitable for serious DIY mechanics and professional technicians willing to invest in advanced features. Consider your technical expertise, budget, and intended use case before making a decision. Let's talk about pros and cons. Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro. Pros: advanced diagnostics, customizable scans, powerful hardware, wireless connectivity, compatible with additional modules. Cons: subscription required, limited warranty, large and bulky, software updates. Overall, the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro is a feature-packed scan tool for professional technicians and serious DIYers. However, its high price and learning curve may deter casual users. Consider your budget, experience level, and diagnostic needs before making a decision. Finally, both the LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite and the Autel MaxiSys MS906Pro are exceptional OBD2 scanners that offer extensive vehicle coverage, advanced diagnostic functions, and reliable performance. The choice between the two ultimately comes down to your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, investing in a high-quality diagnostic tool like these can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.